After presenting my Work Smarter tips at a conference, I got a little smarter by asking for shortcut tips from my audience. We all have our own computer tricks, so share with others whenever possible. This tip is locating that fantastic website that you happened to close and hadn't meant to. The shortcut is Control-Shift-T, and it's good for all the following browsers: Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox. Here, I'll show you. I'll open up eform.uwec.edu, and then I'll open our university homepage, and then I'll open up a local private college here in Eau Claire. See the tabs at the top? Now for my example. I'll close the eForm tab and the Emmanuel Lutheran tab. Right-click on the remaining tab, and in Internet Explorer you are allowed to reopen closed tab. The shortcut keys are shown to the right. Or you can see all the closed tabs in this section of our browser by selecting Recently Closed Tabs. Remember to right-click on the still open tab and you will see lots of options. If you completely close your browser, this shortcut will not be available. You will have to open the browser history to select the sites that you visited. Control-H will open up your history in many browsers. Work smarter. Take tips from other people and then use them.